Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about child abuse disease condition. Okay, in this what happens means we are discussed in previous videos what are the reasons for the child abuse. Okay, here one there, that is the lack of parenting skills. Okay, one type of reason, that is the lack of parenting skills. Okay, what are the parenting skills means as a mother, the mother will be well trained for giving proper care, proper love and affection to the children. When she has proper training or proper love and affection, when she has provided means when she is physically, mentally healthy, then only she will give some proper love and affection to the children. Okay, here the lack of parenting skills means some care givers, they are not having learned skills. Okay, some type of mothers, they are not learned. Okay, what is the way for providing love and affection or for providing caring to the children. Sometimes the child will be severely crying. Okay, why, what is the reason, the child, why he is extremely crying. Okay, as a mother she is searching what is the reason. Okay, she has an hungry or she has an angry. Okay, what is the reason, what is the reason for the child crying. Okay, the mother will searching, will identify their needs. Sometimes the child is not able to speak. Okay, she is undergone the bedwetting. Okay, she will feel discomfort, then she is having the some type of crying. As a mother we are understand, okay, the child will be having one problem like bedwetting, that's why the child will be severely crying. When we are changing the diapers, the child should be stop their crying. Okay, like that we are having the one skills for understanding their problem. Okay, sometimes the child, the mothers will have the teenage parents, means they are not having proper physical growth, means in the early stages, in the childhood stage. Actually the mother having childhood stage only, she is married. Okay, she is normally child but she has another child. Okay, that's why she is dead, they don't know what is the how to provide care to the children. Okay, this is the one reason. Next one is the stress and lack of support. Another reason like stress and lack of support. Why the stress? Sometimes the mother or the parents having the some duties, okay, or some type of work. Okay, due to the workload they are having the stress. Okay, when they are free, when they are having less hard work, there is no stress in the mothers or the parents. She is able to give proper love and affection to the children. Okay, when the mother will have some of the stress or some of the hard work or heavy workload is there, okay, then she will be have some of the lack of interest or she has an stress in their children's. Okay, here she is not providing good care to the children's. Okay, why she is not providing good care or quality of care means there is not having sufficient time for providing care. Why there is no time means she is doing some work or some job. Okay, she is doing some job or she is doing some hard work. Okay, she have pressure on the job facilities. Okay, where the pressure is there in the job facilities, she is concentrate on the job. Okay, she is not concentrate on the child care. Okay, if she is free at job location means she will give proper concentration or proper care or quality of care to the children. Okay, this is also one reason. Especially the children will be rising without support. Okay, due to the hard work or due to the difficulty in the job, the mother will go for the job from the morning to evening. Okay, on the full day she is spending with the job location. Okay, she is not giving proper directions to the child. Okay, without directions the child will reducing some of the relationship. Okay, she is the mother or she is the parent or she is the dad. Okay, he is the dad or some relationship or some bonding they are losing. Why? Because there is no direction, there is no proper way for learning some relationships or for learning some of the communications. Okay, there is no time. She is not introducing these are the relatives or this is the way, like that the mother will not introduce, the child will not receive any relationship. Okay, next here sometimes the mother will have some problems in the family. Okay, some problems in the family. When the family disturbance is there, the children will undergo the child abuse. Okay, child abuse nothing but the child will be go for the bad way, means they are addicted some of the alcohols or they are addicted some of the cigarette smokers or they are addicted some of the medications. Okay, they are taking some drugs for sleeping or they are taking some drugs for unconsciousness. Okay, like that the way is there. Okay, here the mother or the parents having some family disturbances, they are not providing proper care to the children. That's why the child should be undergone the some of the child abuse. Okay, next sometimes they are having a bad relationship in the friends. Okay, why? Because one friend is good means they are having good qualities, good characteristics means the child is go for the good way. Okay, sometimes the friends is having bad characteristics. In a 10 members group, in that 4 members or 6 members, 4 to 6 members are having good qualities means good characteristics means the remaining 4 children way is directing like good characteristics, following good way. But in the 10 members, 6 members having bad characteristics or like bad habit like sexual harassment or sexual abuse or they are having some of the drug intake or alcohol intake means another 4 child also going or enjoying these bad characteristics. Okay, this is the one reason for child abuse. Okay, next sometimes financial difficulties. Okay, for fulfilling their basic needs like food or clothes or shelter, there is no financial settings for them. Okay, there is go for the sometimes sexual participation for the profit. Okay, once they are participating in the sexual intercourse, they are taking some of the money, they are fulfilling their basic needs. Okay, why? Because they are having financial difficulties or poverty in their family. Okay, like that, that's why the child will be undergone the some of the child abuse. Okay, next one is the signs and symptoms or the for the child abuse. Okay, the child will be undergone some of the child abuse. How we are identified means if the child is undergone the emotional abuse, then we are identified symptoms like excessive withdrawn. Okay, excessive withdrawn. In this excessive withdrawn, like the child will have the excessive withdrawn means they are avoiding. Okay, the child will be avoiding their life, the normal habits, okay, good habits, good qualities they are avoiding, they are not following positive way. Okay, next another symptoms like anxious about doing something wrong. Okay, they are doing a wrong situation or some wrong is there by doing them. Okay, in the small wrong they are having more amount of anxiety. Okay, so this is also one signs and symptom for emotional abuse. Sometimes the child should be extreme demanding. Once the child should be asking I want new phone, okay, I want new smartphone, like that they are demanding, means as a parent you are fulfilling their demands. Okay, when the parents will fail for fulfilling their demands, means the child will undergo some type of emotional abuse. Okay, next the child does not seem to the attachment of parents who are undergone emotional abuse. They are not maintaining proper attachment with the parents. Okay, they are not maintaining bonding relationship between the parents. Okay, these are my parents, okay, I am happy, like that they are not having any attachment. Okay, this is also one signs and symptom for the emotional abuse. Okay, next one is the physical abuse. If the child will be undergone the physical abuse, okay, what happens means here the child having the frequency injuries. Okay, in their body they are having the frequency injuries. Why? Because the child should be undergone physical injuries by the harassment like burning or beating or shaking. Okay, like that the harassment is there, no? When we are assessing physical part of the body has some of the injuries. Okay, sometimes the child will be waiting, watchful for waiting the bad happening. Okay, in that family or in that group, when the bad situation is there, okay, when the bad situation is come, then they are enjoying. Why? Because they are undergone some physical abuse by the parents, no, or caretakers, no. When the caretakers having bad situation, then they are happy. Okay, next another one is the wears inappropriate clothes. Okay, who are undergone this physical abuse, they are not maintaining proper clothing. Okay, they are maintaining improper clothes. Okay, sometimes the clothes will be tears. Okay, next another one is they are having the long sleeved clothes when hot days. Okay, when the hot days, when the heat temperature should be very high, then the child wears sleeveless shirts. Okay, this is the physical abuse signs and symptoms. Okay, next one is the neglect. Okay, when the child should be neglected, okay, then what happens means here the clothes will be ill fitting. Okay, here the clothes should be ill fitting. Okay, who are having a neglecting child, their clothes look like unneat. Okay, there is no neatness in their proper dressing. Okay, here they are not maintaining hygienic care. Okay, who are having healthy or who are having good care by the parents, they are maintaining proper hygienic situations like they are maintaining oral hygiene or physical hygiene, or they are taking bathing, they are maintaining good neat appearance in the hair. Okay, look like physical parts of the body or the dressing or grooming or sitting or standing, they are all are normal, who are receiving good love and affection from their parents. Here if the child having any neglect by the parents, Okay, the child will have the some of the hygiene should be bad. Okay, there is no bathing. Okay, they are not taking good bathing from the day to day life. Okay, in the daily activities they are not following bathing. Next, they are having the unwashed hair. Okay, they are not maintaining good or neat hair. Okay, they are not maintaining proper washing in the hair. Okay, next, in this notifiable bad odor, when we are identified the children's having some type of bad odor. Okay, why? Because they are not maintaining proper physical or hygienic measures. Okay, when they are taking a good bathing or grooming or the shelter or good nutrition means they are look like healthy. Okay, here the child will be neglected by the parents. That's why the child should not taking bathing, should not maintain oral hygiene. That child will have some type of bad odor. Okay, next, here frequently late or missing from the school. When we are sending school to the children will be daily. Okay, in the morning 9 to 5 their school timings means. Okay, when we are sending by the 9 o'clock, the child will come by 5 p.m. means here the child will be coming 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. like that. Okay, why you are coming late like that? The mother will ask means the child will give some fake answers. Okay, I am having study hours or I am having extra classes. Okay, like that the child will give some fake answers to the parents. Why? Because the child will be neglected by the parents, means they are not providing proper care, love and affection to the children. Then only the child will be undergone this type of negligence. Okay, next one is the sexual abuse. If the child will be undergone sexual abuse, what are the signs and symptoms? The child will be undergone this type of sexual abuse means here trouble walk at sitting. Okay, when the child will be walking or the sitting, they are having excessive trouble. Why? Because the child will be undergone the sexual abuse. Okay, in the childhood stage there is no secondary sexual characteristics in the child, but the child will be undergone some type of sexual abuse. This is the reason for difficulty in walking or this difficulty in sitting. Okay, next one is the doesn't want to change their clothes. Okay, the child who are undergone this sexual abuse, those children are not maintaining proper clothes. Okay, they don't want to change their dresses. Okay, 1 week onwards or 15 days onwards they are wearing only one dress. Okay, why? Because they are undergone the sexual abuse. That's why they are not changing their dress. Okay, next one is the sometimes the children who are undergone this sexual abuse, they are having STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, in the childhood stage like 14 years onwards they are having the sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, some diseases is there, no? AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, HIV, human immunovirus disease will cause the AIDS disease, no? Okay, it is one of the sexually transmitted disease, no? Sometimes syphilis, gonorrhea. Okay, these are the diseases will comes by the sexual contact. Okay, here who are having 14 years of age group children, those are having this STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Why? Because they are undergone the some sexual abuse. Okay, next one is the runs away from the home. Who are undergoing this sexual abuse, those children are run away from the home. Okay, they are not stable in the home, they are not stay in the home. Okay, they are run away from the home, they are always walk in the external environment. Okay, they are not stay in home. Okay, this is the signs and symptoms who are undergoing this emotional abuse or the physical abuse or neglect or the sexual abuse. Okay, these are the signs and symptoms. Depending upon these symptoms, the child is undergoing some negligence or some sexual abuse or some physical abuse or some emotional abuse. Like that we are differentiate the children.